What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Honda Boy Tates. Today I got a little something for the car. I've been needing to get this for a while. So my headlights suck hella dim at night. I can't see anything. So I invested in some of these.
Yeah.
Me and Mike finna put them on. And I gotta adjust my headlight because it's been hella low and ugly and like not lighting up nothing. I didn't get no before shots. Sorry, but it is what it is. We gonna put the LEDs on now. So first things first, I gotta adjust this one like I was saying, because this thing be pointing down. Damn. I don't know how. There's a little bolt right up in here. Somewhere. On the top corner, right? Oh, you can see it right here. So this one on the inside, in there. Right in there somewhere. You can adjust it with an 8 or a screwdriver. I got a flathead, so I'm gonna adjust it up. No, you can't. It's an 8 socket. Mike brought up a great point. No point in adjusting it right now, especially because I was wrong. You can't use a screwdriver. So anyway, I'm gonna just try to give you guys a little sample of how these look now. But you know, it's during the day. But you can see they're hella yellow. Hella yellow. You can see my city light in there, but not very bright at all. Can't see shit. This way you can't even tell they're on. You can see it on there though. See that yellow glare? Not bright at all, so you feel me? These white things, I got them 6Ks. They're like 6 to 8K or something like that, so I'm about to be blind them motherfuckers. It's hot out here. So first things first, you gotta unplug this. It was kind of hard, I can't lie. I was squeezing it hella hard. I couldn't get it out, but I got it. Then you gotta flip this little metal clip right here to get the actual headlight itself out. Once you flip that thing off, I don't know how right now.
Just push in and pull up.
I'm filming at an awkward ass angle. Anyway, once you get that thing out, then you can take the whole headlight itself out, the actual bulb, and then we'll replace it and plug it into there. Somebody bent mine, but Mike just got it with a screwdriver, so this might take a little, you know, persuasion, but just work on it, you'll get it out. So here's the bulbs. They got little fans on them to help cool them off and stuff. And I think they have little shrouds in underneath the. Hold on, let me get this shit open. Yeah, they got the little shrouds thingamajigger protector joints that go behind them. And all it pretty much is the headlight and the clip. No HID, no ballast, no bullshit. Auxbeam. It's definitely not no paid video. So Auxbeam, if you wanna, you know, kick something my way, I appreciate it, bro. I got bills to pay. So first, you gotta put this thingy in that thingy. You gotta put this in the headlight socket in the headlight, and then slide this in after. Let's bring it down. Ow! This one goes in here. Just spin it until you get it in the right spot. I'm not looking. Is that the right spot? Look when you're doing it, that might help. There, that's in. And then I think there's a certain way to place the headlight, but I didn't read the instructions.
Just plug and play.
Plug and play, like that boy Sonny. Boom. This shit is supposed to fit around there. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna read these instructions. So I was just being scared to plug it in. Not plug it in. Pushed the little hook thing over. Mike pushed it. It just clipped right in. So don't be scared like me. Clip the little metal piece, then it's in. Then we're just gonna plug it into this one. That shit looks so grody. All right, one thing that we just found out, these actually lock into place. When you slide it on, you turn it and it's a little lock. That way it holds it down and then the clip goes in behind this thing and then all put together proper. Okay, I got the passenger side in, but remember what I said about the little metal bracket being bent? Yeah, so it's not really lining up correctly. We're trying, but it might be a little bit hard to get that thing in there, but you'll get it in there, then it'll be alright. Alright, that one's all clipped down. Plugging it in right now. Boom. In there like swimwear, the thin pair.
Where does this go to?
That's my ground that's not hooked up. Alright, I'm gonna turn them on real quick and test them. Hopefully they don't blow up. Alright, Mike's finna hook it up and turn them on for me. Let's see them.
Countdown.
Alright, ready in 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. They actually look hella nice. I mean, I know it's darker out here, but you can see the ground hella lit up.
Your other lights still wouldn't look like that.
Hell nah, my other lights is nothing like that. Look at that shit, nice and bright. Boy, and they clear as shit. You can hear the little fans running, kinda. Damn, best $30 I ever spent, boy.
That shit look nice.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm fucking with it.
Too.
All right, let me get out the way. See if I can kind of see it.
Oh no, they look like they're kind of high.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna put it in the middle of the street and block everybody, and so that way I can actually test them out.
They
Gonna kick my screwdriver, bro?
They did on purpose, man. They did on purpose.
Man, all right.
It look clean though. I like it.
Thank you, bro. Look better in your car?
No. I like HIDs, but
Fucking liar.
I like HIDs.
But yeah. I'm liking this shit. They looking nice. We're gonna get that 8 and try to adjust it and put it in the middle of the street so we can get some real shots of the spread.
Some switchbacks.
Some who's?
Switchbacks.
What is that?
It's clear. It's like LEDs on this side, and then when you turn your blinker on, it'll be like this, but straight blinking.
With the middle?
Huh?
With the middle? With the headlight?
No, with this. Like this would be, like your corner light would look like this. Like
oh,
when it's on,
and then when I blink, it'll be amber.
Blink back this, like that.
You like them all clears, huh?
That go crazy. That go crazy.
Tell me, you guys, if you tell me if you guys like the all clears. I like the amber look. I wanted to get amber clear. I wanted to get amber corner lights. He wants me to get clear corners. Tell me what you guys think.
Clears go crazy. Clears go crazy. That's the way to go, man. Come on.
Tripping. All right. Got the car in the middle of the street. That bolt right there, I'm gonna try to give it some adjustment and see what happens. I got no room. Just not in the room. Alright, hold on. I can't do this with one hand. Well, I got them all adjusted. That's the beam of them. I'm trying to, I don't know if I adjusted them right. They're kind of low, but they light up everything in front of me. One thing that I didn't think about checking is if the high beams work. I've had some pretty cheap LED or HIDs before. High beams didn't work. See if I blind my mom right now. Oh, they work. Are they bright?
They're not that bright.
Yeah, they don't really do much, but I mean, definitely can see the road, that's for sure. You can't really tell the difference with the highs. This is high beam, no high beam.
I guess the
high beam, no high beam.
They higher than the fucking.
Yeah, they're not brights, they're just high beams. But let's see what it looks like inside the car. It's pretty smooth. I got the flash on my car on, but I mean, compared to what they were before, this is pretty good. I like them. Mission success. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it makes you guys want to go get LED headlights too, because man, the stock ones fucking suck. Like, for real. But anyway, it was nice and easy. We got it in there. It wasn't too difficult because, you know, my shit's always, something is always messed up with mine. Nothing ever goes exactly how it's supposed to go. But it was still pretty damn easy. So until I see you guys again, until you see me again, remember to live right, eat right, sleep tight, and get faster, because that's what we're doing out here. Mike Slow. Alright, then I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Why would you look at me? Why would you look at me?
I've been watching you this whole time.
You watched me the whole time? You made me nervous at the end.
He might slow.
That's a yacht.
Yeah, I be shooting like a turret, tire scurry when I hit the gas, always in a hurry, hitting top speeds, vision become blurry, but I still see the picture, so don't ever be worried. I hit the brakes when the time is right, don't have hindsight, only moving up in this light. That's one direction, very narrow angle for sight, and I'm only one dude, but I get paid like 5 mics. From now on, the only moving is forward, and like I packed up a Honda, did it by my own accord. What's in store? Let me peek in the future. Hopefully we overboard, but we might have to shoot you. When money's involved, there's plenty honeys and dogs.